So in today's video, we are going to be doing the no scrunch challenge. I've had this idea on my list of video ideas probably since around the time when I first made my YouTube channel. I don't know who the original creator is of this challenge. I will try and look it up between now and uploading this video so that I can link them in the description box. But if you don't know what it is, that is basically doing your wavy or curly hair routine with zero scrunching. So no scrunching in the conditioner, no scrunching in the stylers, no scrunching with the towel, no scrunching with the diffuser. Well, no pixie diffusing. I feel like that would kind of be cheating because that's kind of scrunching. Going into this challenge, I'm literally expecting my hair to kind of be pretty much straight. I mean, if sometimes it's a bit of a battle to get definition into my hair anyway on a normal wash day, I feel like this experiment, this challenge is just gonna leave me with straight hair with gel in it. But maybe I'll be pleasantly surprised. We don't know. And I do think that this challenge probably works better for those with curly hair because their hair is going to be curly whether they scrunch or not really. But waves, they need more encouragement, and today they're not going to have that. I think this is going to be really difficult too because it's just second nature to scrunch now. It's, you know, it's like breathing. So let's go and jump in the shower. My battery, it's gonna die. So first of all, I did want to do an all curly secret wash day today, but like I've said before, all my stuff is still in boxes, so I could not find the products that I wanted, so I just grabbed the first things that I could find. I'm using the BB Naturals shampoo. This is a very gentle shampoo. You can see that on the first round of shampooing, pretty much zero foam going on. So I rinsed that out and shampooed again and then rinsed that out. The second time it foamed more. If my camera battery wasn't dying at this point, I probably would have shampooed even a third time because I don't think I've washed my hair since 6 days ago, so kind of dirty. At the time, my next step felt like a good idea, but now I'm wondering, and you'll see why later, what was I thinking? But I decided to use a leave-in to condition today. I just thought it's probably going to be, I don't know, I guess more lightweight than a conditioner because we're not going to be scrunching today. I want to give my hair the best chance at getting any definition, so I do not want to weigh it down. So yeah, I used the Curly Secret leave-in. I applied a generous amount of that to my hair and then I tied it up while I went and washed my body. After a little bit, I took my hair down, I drizzled some water and I started detangling, and it was at this point that I realized, what have you done? It was so hard to detangle my hair today. My hair was so knotted. Oh my god. It was insane. And because my battery was dying, I turned off my camera and was detangling for about 5 minutes, and I didn't get all the tangles out, but I was so over it at this point. So I turned the camera back on, tried to detangle a little bit more, and then I thought, screw that, I'm just gonna rinse it out. We're just gonna go with it. So I rinsed it out thoroughly, and then I took 3 more pumps of the leave-in to now use for its intended purpose as a leave-in, and then kind of brushed my hair. Then I took my towel, and obviously can't scrunch, so instead of scrunching, I squoze. And I put my hair up in a towel. I wrapped it up. I don't think this is cheating because when I go and do my stylers, I'm going to be raking my hair anyway. So if you feel like this is kind of cheating in a way and that I'm adding definition to my hair, that definition is going to fall out the second that I start actually styling my hair. So don't worry. Once I was dressed, I took the towel down and I thought today I would use the Curly Secret volumizing spray. I feel like this spray kind of gives the same effect as a sea salt spray. If you don't know, sea salt kind of helps make your hair wavy, curly. That's why people seem to have the nicest hair when they go to the beach. So, you know, we're trying to help out my hair as much as it can, seeing as though we cannot scrunch it today. So I just sprayed that all over my hair and just kind of raked it in. And then I made the last minute decision to use use the Floricurl foam. The reason why I decided to use this is because I feel like this foam really helps with my clumps. So, I mean, if we're not going to have definition, at least we're going to have some clumps. Although I don't know what good that is going to do. But anyway, I used about 8 pumps, I think. And then I just kind of raked that in. I did a bit of praying hands, no scrunching. My hair is looking very straight. And then on top of the foam, I took the Curly Secret Hydrating Styling Jelly. This wasn't the gel that I wanted to use. I wanted to use Curly Secret's other gel, but I got mixed up. My battery was dying at this point, so I just had to roll with it. I wanted to use the more lightweight gel. This one is a bit heavy, so probably not the best gel that I could have used today, but oh well. I didn't use a lot. I just squoze a bit out and rake that through my hair, and that's it. This is how the hair is looking before we go into diffusing. There's not really much definition. Oh my god, the urge to just scrunch my hair, even just one little scrunch is gonna help so much with definition, but I can't. It was literally torture not being able to scrunch my hair. I'm taking the time to wash my hair and stuff, and it's just all gonna be to waste. I'm just gonna tie my hair up or brush it out or something. I don't know. I then decided to film how I'm diffusing, because obviously I'm diffusing a little bit differently today. I am just hover diffusing. There's no pixie diffusing today. Diffusing like this, my hair took so much longer to dry, and obviously it was drying with not much definition. It was drying straight, basically. Pixie diffusing really helps with my hair to remove the weight of the water, the products, to lift my hair up, to encourage definition, to dry it and set it in that position. So drying it like this is not gonna do anything for me, but you know, we've got to stick to the challenge. So I got done diffusing maybe a couple hours ago now. My hair, this is basically how it dried. I mean, it hasn't changed much, really. I was waiting for my camera to charge. But yeah, this is, I mean, we have like the tiniest little waves going on. But, I mean, my hair's practically straight. I do have a bit of a cast, so we're still not going to be doing any scrunching. So I took a pump of the oil and just kind of did praying hands, squoze my hair, no scrunching. Then I fluffed it like crazy. And even though I diffused for so long and my hair has been air drying for a couple hours now, my hair still feels damp in some places. And I have a very strong cast in some pieces of my hair. But anyway, this is what we're left with. This is very loose waves. I mean, it's practically straight, but with clumps. So yeah, the no scrunch challenge, as I suspected, does not work for me. So although this didn't work for me, if you do have really curly hair, this no scrunching thing would probably be a great option for you if you want to achieve a more elongated look. If you have really curly hair but you kind of want your hair to be more on the wavy side one day, or maybe not wavy but a bit less curly, longer, looser curls, then this might be a good option for you. But for us wavy girls, I definitely will not be doing this again. I don't know what else to say. I mean, there's no point me checking back in tomorrow. This is the end result. I hope you enjoyed this little challenge, something different for today's video. Here is some more content from me that I think you might enjoy, and I will see you next time. Bye!